GitHub Desktop is a user-friendly application that simplifies version control and collaboration using Git. Here's a guide on how to use it. Download and install. Download GitHub Desktop from the GitHub website and install it on your computer. Sign in. Open GitHub Desktop and sign in with your GitHub account. Clone repository. Click the File menu and select Clone repository. Choose the repository you want to work on from the list or provide the repository URL. Local repository. After cloning, the repository is stored on your local machine. Branches. Switch between branches using the branch drop-down menu. Create and manage branches easily. Make changes. Open your favorite code editor and modify files in the repository. Commit changes. In GitHub Desktop, you will see the changes you made. Enter a commit summary and description, then commit the changes. Sync. Click the Fetch Origin and Pull Origin buttons to update your local repository with the latest changes from the remote repository. Push changes. After committing, push your changes to the remote repository using the Push Origin button. Branch management. Create, delete, and merge branches using the branch management features. History and diffs. Review commit history and see the differences between versions of files. GitHub integration. Easily switch to the GitHub website to create issues, pull requests, and review code. Collaboration. Collaborate with others by pushing and pulling changes to the same repository. Resolving conflicts. If conflicts arise, GitHub Desktop helps you identify and resolve them. Settings and preferences. Customize GitHub Desktop's behavior and appearance based on your preferences.